Yeah, so the motor transport team here at Manchester Airport provide all of the routine maintenance, scheduled maintenance, reactive maintenance and inspections for all the vehicles and equipment that operate on our site. So all of the towed equipment or trailed equipment which carries all of the baggage was basically manhandled using manual handling techniques to push them from the yard outside into the workshop for their scheduled or reactive maintenance.
We had to have a minimum of 3 people pushing a trailer in.
We were looking for something which removed the manual handling element, particularly with the heavier trailers. What MasterMover suggested was that they visited site to have a look at our specific requirements, which is what they did. They suggested the Tow 300 would be the ideal.
It fitted really well. When we first got the Tow 300, we had it on trial and everybody had a go of it and really liked it. And since then, everybody has been using it and it's a really good piece of equipment.
We had one come down just as a bit of a taster and we basically said what we need it to do, and then they designed the hitch on that one to do the job. When first using it, it was really good. It just took every bit of manual handling out of the equation.
The reason that we felt it was the right fit, it was small, but it was manoeuvrable and it could handle the weight of the trailers. So in terms of safety, what the MasterMover brings is exactly what we wanted it to do. With the larger trailers, it removes the manual handling piece in its entirety and therefore reduces the risk of those musculoskeletal injuries. And since it's been introduced, touch wood, we haven't had an incident.
All the guys absolutely love it. We have it in our fabrication shop at the minute, but in our main workshop, the technicians are requested if they can have their own in there as well.
So in terms of efficiency, what the MasterMover does is it removes the requirement for 3 people to move one of the larger, heavier trailers. You're losing about 15 minutes of work time. With a MasterMover, it's a 1-person operation.
From a manager's point of view, it makes it successful to me because I can sleep easy at night knowing that I'm not going to walk into somebody being injured.
It feels a lot safer. It takes out all the manual handling. It's just letting the machine do all the work for you.
So having operated the MasterMover now for a number of months, it is a success story. MasterMover has proven itself.